Hi everyone, my name's Annie. I'm going to be your ambassador today. I'm from San Luis Obispo, California. I'm a junior majoring in international studies with 2 minors, one in food studies and another in leadership administrative skills. A little bit about me, I'm involved on the Alpine ski team here on campus as well as the outdoor program. I know it's a stressful time right now and some of you might be concerned, but I'm excited to show you the campus today. Right over here we have Matthew Knight Arena, home to our men's and women's basketball team, as well as our women's acrobatic and tumbling and volleyball team. We do have more than just sports in here. We have performers such as Elton John, the Dalai Lama, right here in Matthew Knight. Right behind me here, we have the John E. Jaquaw Academic Center for Student Athletes. It is required that all NCAA Division I schools have a building for their student athletes' academic success. And here, student athletes can get help with tutoring, academic advising. Do note that all the resources they get in here, other students like myself get on other parts of campus. Right over here, we have the University Health Counseling and Testing Center, and here we have a full-service health clinic here for all enrolled students with services such as physical therapy, dentists. We also want to make sure our students are not only healthy physically, but also mentally. Upstairs, we have a counseling center with group therapy, one-on-one sessions, therapists and counselors on call at all times, as well as an academic testing center where students can take placement tests and mock exams. Right over here, we have the Robert and Beverly Lewis Integrative Science Building. Here, you can conduct your own research for undergrads as well as graduate students. If you don't want to conduct your own research, you can always be a part of someone else's research study. Located 17 feet below us are the Lori I. Lokey laboratories. These are located underneath bedrock to minimize all the vibrations from above ground. There's microscopes in there that can see something as tiny as a single gold atom. We are in Willamette Hall, home to our physics department, our general science program, our material science institute, and our Institute for Theoretical Sciences. Tucked right there in the corner is Willamette Hall, home to our biology, chemistry, biochemistry departments. Something cool to note is there's a lot more of campus you won't be able to see today. We have a campus on the Oregon coast for marine biology students, as well as a submarine that we share with the Coast Guard. Tucked underneath Willamette Hall are human cadaver labs. This is great for our human physiology students or science students to do hands-on research. Personally, you couldn't catch me dead down there. Here we are in the Price Science Library. This is one of 5 libraries located on campus. Yes, it's the science library, but this facility is open to all students here on campus, including the MakerSpace in here, where we have a laser cutter, 3D printer, and industrial sewing machine. Right behind me here is Allen Hall, home to our School of Journalism and Communication. They have incredible clubs and organizations in here, such as Duck TV, Flux Magazine, Allen Advertisement Team that works with businesses such as Adobe. Right over here we have Lawrence, which is home to the College of Design. We offer programs such as architecture, product design, planning, public policy and management, and art. Within our architecture program, we really like to focus on sustainability. Here on campus, numerous buildings are LEED, Gold, if not Platinum certified. Right over here is Friendly Hall, home to some of our foreign language departments. We offer 22 different foreign languages here on campus. As you can see, there's lots of beautiful trees around me. Fun fact, our campus is an arboretum. We have over 5,000 trees with over 400 different species. Right over here is Tyson Hall, home to the College of Arts and Sciences. We offer academic and career advising in this building to help students find classes to make sure they're graduating on time and on track to find that job post-grad. They'll help you out with looking over resumes, helping with mock interviews, career fairs, and career advising. Right over here, we have the Lillis Business Complex, home to the Charles H. Lindquist College of Business. Within this department, we offer 2 majors, including accounting and business administration. Within the business department, we have incredible clubs such as Women in Business, Oregon Consulting Group, Warsaw Sports Marketing, Sustainable Business Club. We also have incredible academic advisors within the business department and a tutoring center right on the first floor. This is also the most photogenic building on campus. As you can see, that O was put up there in 2012 when we hosted ESPN College Game Day. They liked it so much, they kept it up there. Some people say it's the largest bumper sticker in the world. I think it makes a great photo opportunity. Right over here is Chapman, home to the Clark Honors College. This is available for all majors, all minors. This gives students the opportunity to take smaller classes, to write and conduct a thesis your senior year. The Honors College gives students that small liberal arts college feel in a large research university. Right behind me, we have the Fraunmeyer Music Building, home to the School of Music and Dance. This department offers many minors and many majors. A few are music performance, music technology, and jazz studies. Right over here, we have the College of Education located in Headco. They offer 3 majors in Family Human Services, Education Foundation, and Communication Disorders and Sciences. They also offer 2 minors in Leadership Administrative Skills and Special Education. Here we are in the Urban Memorial Union. This is our student union. We all call it the EMU for short. And here, students can gather and study, grab food. Most of our student groups are based out of this building. We have over 250 clubs and organizations on campus. Like I said, I'm involved on the Alpine Ski Team through Club Sports and the outdoor program, as I'm a trip initiator, leading and conducting my own trips, just to name a few things. Right over here, we have our craft center. This is free for students to come in, take classes. We have glass blowing, screen printing, ceramics, woodwork, painting, fabrics, photography, and the list goes on and on. Here we are in our Student Recreation Center. This is included in students' tuition and fees. You can come in here and rent out equipment, take classes. They have great hours from 6 a.m. to midnight. A few of the classes that they offer here at the Recreation Center are CrossFit, kickboxing, cycling, yoga, stand-up paddleboard yoga. You can even get scuba certified in our pool. I wish you all good luck with your college search process, and as always, go Ducks!